Hi, my name is Dr. Jen Anaker, and I'm the owner of Anaker Clinics of Chiropractic. Welcome back to our videos. We're always excited to share great quality information. Certainly we pool our patients and people around us as well as our viewers to be able to create and give you great content and topics that are pertinent to you and your family. So in my office, I see a lot of kids. I see kids all the way from day-old babies, obviously into the teenage years. And so one piece of that population are those kids that are in athletics or sports. And so this topic is what we're going to talk about today. And certainly it fits inside of our three pillars, which are answering wellness questions, also diving into chiropractic questions, and then giving you a little insight into some of the things that I do for my own healthcare. And certainly we can think about kids that may be in more formal sports like baseball, softball, track, volleyball, basketball, but let's be real. Kids have also that aren't maybe in an organized sport, or even, not to forget gymnastics and cheerleading, but kids that are not in an organized sports, they're still on trampolines. You know, by the age of 7, the average child takes 2,500 falls. So certainly even if your child isn't into athletics, you could take a piece of this information and apply it into your own, your own family. And then also as adults, a lot of times we're playing tennis, golf. I know even for me, I love to play volleyball. So even last night I play City League volleyball. So certainly, even as into your adulthood, these things could apply as well. So let's dive into the topic. So we're talking about kids that are athletic. How does chiropractic fit into it? Number one, as chiropractors, we're always looking to see how the nervous system is functioning, and those nerves go out to the muscles, and the muscles attach onto the structure. So as chiropractors, we're looking at all three of those facets in order to get the body to better communicate. So number one thing that chiropractic helps out with is better movement. And so we can think about that on a lot of different levels. One might be to have better flexibility, or just even increased range of motion. If you're hitting a racket sport, to be able to turn your body. If you're playing volleyball, to move your arm, or soccer player to be able to kick your foot. Whatever that increased range of motion, that will also be helped when the spine and the nervous system are better communicating. Also, when your muscles are, from the brain to the muscles are better communicating, you have better precision, better strength. So certainly that's important when you're playing athletics. Number two is better be able to be adaptable to injuries. There's those injuries where you're on the sidelines, and certainly we want to make sure that you can get back into that game quicker and faster. And when your body's better communicating and has less stress on it, you're going to be able to get back into the game more quickly. Let's say that there's muscle spasms going on and somebody's turning to more medication. Obviously chiropractic can help, again, those muscle spasms to decrease, so that way you're taking less to no medication as well. And even just the risk of injury, if your body's better communicating and better able to do what it needs to do, it's just that much more adaptable. So that way when you fall, it isn't that fall that takes you down. You can get back up and then certainly get checked by your chiropractor after that. And then if we want to think even a step further, that any kind of falls and spills and have quicker healing time, that would reduce any surgeries as well. Now the last one, certainly we all would like this for peak performance, which is better mental focus. There's a lot of research that's come out real recently about the prefrontal cortex and how chiropractic can help out with that. And so your ability to make those quick decisions, you zig, I zag, to be ready for your opponent, or certainly to be able to connect with the ball, etc. That mental focus that you need to be able to play a sport, and that quickness and that adaptability again, chiropractic care can also help with that. So we've covered three pieces here, certainly a lot of information within the three: better movement, better adaptability with injuries, and increased mental focus. So I hope you found this helpful. Certainly chiropractic can be that key to help your athletic child be able to better perform. And if you have any questions, post them down below. Love to give you some feedback or comments answering those questions, and we always appreciate you. Have a great day.